Because whenever someone joined the LSPD, the patrol division is the main. Cause till then PO3 the patrol division is main. So like no one wants to like.
No one wants to join that and clean the city, you want to say? Hello, Kelvin. Okay, Kelvin. Yeah, tell me, why do you want to be a lieutenant of the patrol division?
If I talk in like shorter words, I'll tell you, I don't want to I don't want to see the shit happening in this division, because the first division of like everyone is patrol division, and I want to make this division as good as the other divisions, so like no one wants to go to other divisions and all.
It's okay, like
Because I want
if anyone
Yeah,
wants
because I
to
want
join
perfection
other
in this
no,
division.
if anyone wants to join other division, it's their choice. Like if they can be a short member, they can be FTO. It's their plan of future. Like they achieved something in the PD, like being a patrol officer. Now he wants to just a different thing. Okay, Kelvin.
Yeah.
Okay, so tell me, Kelvin, if you see something really illegal thing, like a patrol officer guy selling illegal stuff, okay, and no one notices that, and you just caught red-handed, so what will be your call? Like what will be your response?
First of all, if I become the lieutenant, my first responsibility is to keep the body cam of everything, and if I caught some of my fellow officers doing illegal stuff and selling armories and all, so first of all I capture the body cam of him selling all stuff, and I'll talk to my like captain of patrol and you like the major of patrol, and then I'll make the decision with you guys.
Perfect. Okay, so tell me, like if any other from legal org like NG, SHP, FIV guy came here to report one of our officer, and you are the most high command available from the patrol division, so what will be your response?
First of all, I'll try to like understand the whole matter, like what is going on and what about the report is and who's the suspect, and then I'll talk to that suspect. I was first of all I talk to him, and then I'll like say that why do you did this and all, and if he like did in misunderstanding and something, then I'll let him go, and after that the other IRAPs came, I'll tell this situation to them.
Okay, perfect. So tell me, if a citizen or a gang member comes to complain one of your officer, and he is having any proof, okay, he doesn't have any proof, and he's screaming at you, disrespecting you, so what you will do in that situation? And he's telling you that I don't want to talk to you, to ask your high command to come, and you are the most high command available, so what will be your call?
Okay, so in that situation, first I'll try to calm him down, that sir, please calm down, and then I'll say, if you want if you want more high command than me, then come back later, or tell me, then
He
I'll
just
send
don't want to
the
listen
like
to you.
proofs and all
He
messages,
just
your message to my high
Kelvin,
commands,
Kelvin.
so they will consider about your problem. But currently I'm the only high command in the city, so like if you want that, you can like tell to
Kelvin,
me.
Kelvin, if he is mad at you and telling you to just suspend him, he doesn't want to listen to you, what will be your call? He's just telling you that just suspend him, fired him from the org. What will be your call?
In this situation, first I'll try to calm him down.
Okay, perfect, Kelvin. So tell me, if like from some other division, he is the high command from you, and he is trying to influence you to do some like stuff which is not necessary, and it's a personal grudges. So what will be your call? Wow. So yeah, Kelvin,
Yeah.
it is the last question. Okay.
Okay.
So yeah, if from some other division high command try to influence your decision or scolding one of our officer, what will be your call in that situation?
I can't understand the question. Can you repeat it?
I will be giving an example. Like Eklavya,
Okay.
he's the major of FTO. So he's being like a personal grudges on our officer, and he's targeting him, or he's making you to influence him. Okay, he's trying to influence you to do something to on him. So what will be your call or response?
He's like obvious reason he's my senior and he's from different division. So the main thing is, first of all, I ask him for a proof that why are you like blaming him and all. Then after the proof, I'll talk to my other higher ups and then make a decision, and I talk to them also, like the suspect. Then what did you do with him?
Don't
and
call
all.
our officer as suspect. It's a wrong term.
Yeah, like
It is not a suspect thing. I'm telling you that if
no, but
anyone's
Eklavya is
from
having the
other
suspect,
division, no, he's not a suspect. He's your superior high command from other division. He's been telling you to do something, and which you can hear like a smell that it is not like a legal thing, or he's been doing personal grudges on him. So what will be your call?
Like in this
Are you
situation,
going
I
to
know that
yeah.
it is illegal.
So what will be your call? He's been trying to influence you. What will be your call? I'm asking you.
Like seriously, I can't understand this question. Can you replace this, please?
Sorry, your interview is over. You can go now.
Or